Are you aware now out of 10 delegations Nigeria has sent to America, now the wife of our warlord Bianca Ojukwu, they are among them? Are you aware? Yotago Obunichorima names of the 10 delegations sent to America. The news is on the public space for you to go there and read it. Do you understand? Then guy the Inspector General of Police of Nigeria and what they call security advisor Labidu or something. This our dear mother, the wife of our warlord Ojukwu. So wejebe that America to ije we negotiate or ije breed or ije have a deal with the American government concerning the America so that na buy the Nka northern Nigeria. Do you understand me? Now when I make this video, I didn't make this video because I condemn over the wife of our warlord. Do you understand what I'm saying? And I didn't make this video because I'm not going to cover book and forth or material no material. Now about the Minister of Foreign Affairs. Do you understand what I'm saying? Nigeria. So I think no all we are. They understand me. One for yesterday and sentence and the count to life imprisonment. So and ask that now all hope is not yet to be lost. Do you understand? Now, Kaibiazana reality on ground. If you basala monagana bona Nigeria and the game wanna agitate for Biafra in Nigeria. No, bona wunye our warlord Ojukwu to America. Kiriko all the Kogisi we introduce onwe. And the passport we get wejebanya bije. Now we go na social media, we put sentiment and emotional side. Oh, when you combine these two things, you will never understand and in due time you get me chagoti fan na gwagi. Do you understand? All America can get present you again as a Nigerian. The same go upon you on America now agitate that in nature break up. Right? Is it not high time between blow Igbo? If you don't make use of your brain. More that normally can Nigeria see where this Nigeria as a country we could see where and don't well in now participate in even in Nigeria. Mandi Igbo, Mandi Hausa, Mandi Fulani, Mandi Yoruba.